We're going to do a super stretchy cast off. So you wrap your working yarn 3 times around and then cut. Now let me zoom in. Okay. To do this cast off, your yarn is coming from this peg. So you skip this peg, pull the yarn up through the next, and the yarn is in front. Then you go back 1. Try to hold this so you can see, and pull the yarn down. You just keep repeating that. So you're going to skip 1, pull the yarn up, go back 1, and pull the yarn down. Oops. Alright. I'll show you a couple more times. You skip 1, pull the yarn up, you go back 1, pull the yarn down. You just keep doing this all the way around until you get back to your first peg. Back to my first peg, and I went up that one. I'm going to go back 1, go down that one, and then I'm going to go ahead and redo that white very first one, because that will connect the whole circle. And I already did half the loom just so it wouldn't take as long. But then all you do at this point is you just take your loom tool and just take all the stitches off the loom, because that cast off that you just did locked everything in place to where it's not going anywhere. Let me zoom out and see, here is the cast off edge. This one, just the way it's striped, it was all the same color, so you don't really notice it. Now this one, part of it turned back to the blue, which that's perfectly fine.